going to try to catch up to you. Holy shit. So 50% of 10 is 5. It's amazing. What does that mean? Take the 5th and 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And average those. And what do you get? 43. Crazy. And then, you guys do this one yet? I want to show you something. You could do all the same work, right? Or you could be smart about it. How far in was P25? Third number in. So where's P75 going to be? Third number down. Shouldn't P75 and P25 be symmetric? Boogie woogie woogie. Or if you don't like what I'm just now saying, do the exact same shit, right? 75% of 10 is 7.5. Well, if you just go 1, 2, 3, right? You can see that? Some guys will see that. 25% of the way in is the same thing as 25%. 75% of the way in is the same thing as 25% of the way from the end. Or do them all the same. It doesn't matter. Now, what I've just created is parts of what we call the 5-number summary. Anybody planning on transferring to a university or college? Have you guys, how much research have you done? Or are you, anybody going outside of the local area, out of curiosity? You guys. I mean, we got really awesome schools here, but have you ever heard of what's called a Princeton Guide to Colleges? No, okay, so stay with me. So colleges, some of them are more demanding as to the students they'll take. Does that translate into they get better students? No, because that's all bullshit. But oh well. Ready? You with me? So there's a Princeton guide. It tells you like the students at this college. What time is it? Oh, it's almost 7 o'clock. The middle 50% scored between this and this on the SAT, for example. Okay, so give me 1 second. We're almost done. What's the lowest data point? Was it 22? And then Q1 was 30, 43, 50, and then the highest one was 55. That's the 5-number summary. We'll do more of this next time. I don't want to show you real quick to make what's called a box plot. Stay with me. This is I call it a box and whiskers plot because that's what it was called when I learned it. Let me see. Let's go from 20 up to 60, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 40, 50, 55, 60. There you go. Good job. Watch. We'll do more of this. 22, just put a line. 30, put a line. 43, put a line. 50, put a line. 55, put a line. That's amazing. Box off the middle. Whiskers. Box and whiskers. Some of you guys might have seen this in kind of image before. The box always has 50% in it because it's Q3 down to Q1. 75 minus 25, there's 50% in there. It's what we call the heartland of the data. Well, that's what I call it, to be honest. It's like the heartland of America. You fly around it. The heartland of the data. And then you have your extremes out there on the whiskers. All right, that's enough. Don't forget, quiz next time, first thing. Do the survey. Check your email situation. Oh, yes. Yeah, don't let me keep any of these things.